Hello guys, how are you doing? So I just want to do some hotel room tour or rooms tour where we are staying. I just want to show you how it looks like in case if you travel to Nigeria, or you can say if you travel to Nigeria, you can as well, if you are lodging or if you want to lodge in Imo State, you can as well ask for this hotel and it may be good. You just coming in right away. And actually, you guys know that we travel to Nigeria. I travel to Nigeria with my family, my 4 kids and my husband. We are actually in Nigeria. This is the hotel we are lodging. This one here, I'll be making a room tour to show you how it looks like. Okay, let me not to waste much time. Just want to show you how the hotel room looks like. So keep watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, share this, and as well comment in the comment section if you have stayed in this hotel before or you're going to try if you travel to Nigeria. Thank you so much for watching. This is the first. This is where I and my husband is going to stay. This is. Let me just start to show you the. This is their wardrobe. Their wardrobe. They have 3 hangers. They have down and up and down wardrobe. We have not put anything. Just hang my jacket. So this is how their bed looks like. This is their double bed. How it looks like. And this is their light. I don't know if this light is bright enough to show you how it looks. And they have here AC, and they have AC here. You can see their AC there. It's their AC, and here is their TV. They have also TV. They have some. So here now, this is how they are. Let me show you their hotel. Actually, their room have a card. You can go out using their card. You can come in using their card. If you forget your card inside, that means you have to knock. Someone inside can open for you. So let me on the light. So this is how their toilets or beds, their bedroom looks like. And their toilet here. And this is their shower. This is their bed. This is how it looks like. Okay. They have here hot water. You can have a hot water here. This where you can wash hands or you wash your teeth. So just like this. Just like this. Okay, I will be telling you how much a room costed or a room cost. The name of the hotel is called Bruno Hotels. Bruno Hotels Suites and Suites. It's their toilet. The toilet is actually here. So this is how. Here is one of the tissues they have here. Let me see. The toilet comes when you work. So this is actually how. This is the hotel once again. Their name. So attention, please be informed if anything spoiled or anything. There's you use the. So this is the mirror actually. I think I showed you guys before. This is how their mirror looks. This hotel is actually good, guys. They have also here a small cupboard where you can put your things. They have also here also some places cupboard where you can keep your things. And here they have a chair where you can sit down. Maybe you can buy something, and they have a water here. And this is Lashon or what they have written. And they have also side stool. Their side stool here. The actual thing, the water, we came with this water. And yeah, we came with the water, ever water. So here they have a small fridge here. You can see we have already added our ever water here. Their fridge is cooling well. So this is how their hotel looks like. Let me show you the outside of it. You can see this is how the windows look like. The outside of their hotel. This is the outside of the hotel. This is how it looks. This is the outer side of it. You can stay here and see some things. And they actually, and this is this side. This is also the cotton. So this is the outer side of the other side of the window. So this is how their hotel looks like, and their lights are also cheap. Where this light is going to be out. Okay, let me show you the proper view of the light, how it looks. So this is how the room looks like. So actually, when we came, they don't have the suits. Their suit has finished, so we decided to take 3 rooms that are opposite each other. So this is the one I am going to stay. I'm going to show you the one of my children if they permit me. So let me know in the comment section if you would like to lodge here, Bruno, hotels, and suits. So guys, I just want to show you also where my children are staying. Oh my god, this is their bedroom. Just almost exactly like the one I showed you before. They have shower here. This is their shower. They also have the hot and cold water. They have also here a hotel towel. Yeah, you can make use of it. And here, this is their brush. They have brush here. Actually, we came with our brush anyway. So this is their brush, guys. Just trying to show you if there is any difference between where we are lodging and where my kids are lodging. Let me see. Okay, on their light. So this is also their TV. This TV, and also this is their AC. They have AC here, and they have a very. It's like here is more beautiful than ours. You guys have a cushion. The sofa here, right?
Everyone has it.
We have sofa. We have only stool. We have stool. We don't have this. They have it. We don't have it. So I think you guys own is more better than us. So guys, you can see this is the outside of the hotel. You can stay there and see what is going on along outside the house. Okay, my children have already turned their AC on. You can see their AC is now cooling. So this is also their fridge. They have fridge here like us. They have already added their bottled water. And they have also the water for the hotel here. So they have, this is how their rooms looks like, this is how their bed looks like, and so on and so forth. And yeah, they have already bring their things out. They have already brought some of their things out, and this is also their wardrobe. Their wardrobe is also here like us. So guys, it's almost the same thing with us. So let me go and show you also the one of my princess, my 2 princess, and to check if the same thing applicable to theirs and ours. So guys, cheese pie, this better. So guys, let me show you also. I told you before that our room is opposite theirs. You can see here is my boys' room and here is ours. So this is the one of my daughter. Let me knock so that they can open for me. And hi.
Hi.
I'm making a video. Can I make small video?
Yes.
Thank you.
Here are you doing?
Thank you. So let me start from their toilet, guys. This is how their toilet looks like. They've already brought their brushes out. Here they have to. Okay, one is my daughter own. This is the one of hotel. Yeah, this is how their toilet looks like. So this is how their shower looks like here. This is how it looks. This is transparent shower they have here. So, and this is the inside of the hotel. Let me show you. So and this is my princess. This is my princess in here. They have already brought things out. And this is their mirror here. And this is their bed. So let me also turn their light on so that you can see how exactly how it looks. The hotel is good. It's not bad. I think I've not told you guys. I've not tell you guys how much the hotel each room is. As I said before, we wanted to take parlor, that is one suit, like 2 suits, but we said no need, because they don't have any suits again. And this is the AC anyway. This is the AC. They have already turned it on. You can see it is blowing. It's cooling the house already. This is the television. If you want any help from maybe if you want to use the TV, you can as well check those things. There is CNN, Channel TV, Z World, and the rest of them. So this is where they drop their bags, and this is also their fridge. They have already added their water inside it. So guys, let me just allow them to have their privacy. Yeah, I think this is their chair where they can sit down to write something in the line. And also here is also one of the cupboards where they can put their things. You can put your things here. Okay, later I can check. So they have also this cushion here. And this is their shrine, my kids' shrine, their things here and the rest. So guys, and one of this hotel is costing, the room is costing 50,000 naira. The room is actually 50,000 per night. So we're going to stay like 3-4 days here. And if you calculate 3 rooms times 3-4 days, then it will give you how much we are going to pay. And not only staying here, we want to take the children out to go and see some places here in Imo State. We can as well drive to Port Harcourt. Guys, I don't know when you're going to see this video, but just know that I just want to make a room tour to show you how we are with lodge and how beautiful it is. It's not bad. Yeah, it is affordable. At least 50,000 per night. It's not too small, neither not too big. It's affordable, so anyone can afford that, guys. So let me know if you're going to like or lodge here if you come to Imo State. This hotel is in Port Harcourt Owerri Road, if you are coming from Imo State. So bye. Let me show you my face once again. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and as well share this video. If you have if you also want to book this hotel, they are online. You can get them online. Search their name, Bruno Hotels and Suites. You will get it, and you can also pay in dollar, in euro, in naira, in any currency you can. Thank you, love you, peace out, see you next time. Bye.